Hi, I'm Lee Venkateswamy. I'm a director with Deloitte Consulting Africa. Asset that we're showcasing specifically this year is the augmentation of artisans, right? And the one that we're showing is the equipment condition supervisor, how the generative AI assists the artisan to maintain assets and extend their lifespan within the mines. And also, how do we get the reduced measures correct? So how do we reduce the risk? How do we take corrective action? And how do we sustain? So the savings is really in the generative AI. Generative AI asset, or rather the use of generative AI in asset maintenance, is going to ensure, one, equipment is used longer. There's a proactive approach to maintaining the equipment, and our accuracy and confidence in that maintenance is actually maintained. And we're starting to see a 60% or more accuracy against the measures that we would take to maintain these assets. The ECS asset that we're showcasing today took in total 5 weeks of development. The POC to run it took 2 weeks, and we were able to implement this thing within essentially under 2 months. So within 2 months, very small investment, we could start showing real returns, real results, and real impact on the mine.